Hi, do you believe that education is vital for today's society? Yes, you do. That's why you're here. I am Teasha Downie, and I'll be explaining that to you today. As a florist, it gives me great pleasure to see my students creating a flower, giving it to someone for them to feel happy, or selling it and making a profit. Education has been so important nowadays. It even helps with inventions. It helps with all the things that we're doing now. Just by one person passing a word down to another or one person giving training to another. Look at the internet. Now we can go viral and one person can train millions of people. I am going to explain 2 steps of getting a teacher's job. I will explain these 2 steps and each of the teacher's position in the education system and also how to get hired. Let's talk about my position as a teacher in the educational system. I first spoke to Constancia Daly about an ad that I saw in Indeed of her school. She's the principal of the school, Rhema Word Christian Academy. When I was speaking to her, she mentioned that she would like to hire an individual, either male or female, for a job that she posted for a teacher. She discussed that she would like to be in partnership with this person or the individual that gets the job to help to train the children to become world changers. Well, according to the standards of Florida Ministry of Education. But this position is hard to acquire since the teachers are hard to gain. The post-secondary industry are sending out less and less graduates because the exams have become so vigorous, and just to get the requirements in, it has become harder and harder for teachers. I'm going to explain how you need to get the credits. Now, you have to get a bachelor's degree in teacher. You have to get a bachelor's degree in teaching or a bachelor's degree in a specific subject. When you do this, you have to get at least 36 hours of general education credits that's required. Your GPA have to be at least a 2.5 GPA, or as for me, I'll be getting a 3.3. The work experience that is needed is that most people normally do internship. Well, my internship I already was doing in what you call it 2 years of experience with Rhema, the same school that I plan to work at. I've already been doing 2 years experience as a middle school teacher and a high school substitute teacher and a middle school substitute teacher, And I also taught floral arrangement there. With these experience that I have intended to go and do they have this program called the Prior Learning Assessment Program that you can talk to your advisor, and Broward College will see if they can put that towards your accreditation when you're doing your courses. The main potential that they're looking for at this school is you got to be godly and love children, which I've already demonstrated over the period of time that I've been there. I love children. I love to see them learn. I love to see that we're going to have a better future. I also have made a lot of creative programs that will help these children to learn and to remember what they need to know when they go out there in the workforce. My conclusion, these guidelines will really help you. The education industry is vital in today's society. The requirements to become a teacher start in college but never ends. Therefore, knowledge is key, because with technology advancing as we speak, so are we. I want to become a teacher to help children, which are the future, to become world changers. Children are our greatest treasure. They are our future. By Nelson Mandela. Thank you.